Welcome back to our channel. If you're looking for ways to make money online, you've come to the right place. In this video, we've shared 32 unconventional ways to make money online. From creating and selling digital products to renting out your bike on Spinlister, we've covered a wide range of ideas to help you get started. Section 1. Snowball Method. The snowball method is a popular way to pay off debt. It involves paying off your smallest debts first, while making minimum payments on larger debts. This approach can help you build momentum and see progress quickly. Section 2. Debt Consolidation. Debt consolidation involves combining multiple debts into one loan with a lower interest rate and a single monthly payment. This can simplify your finances and save you money on interest. Section 3. Negotiating with creditors. Negotiating with creditors can be intimidating, but it's worth a try. You can ask for lower interest rates, waived fees, or even a settlement. Be honest and explain your financial situation, and they may be willing to work with you. Section 4. Increasing income. Increasing your income can help you pay off debt faster. Consider starting a side hustle, selling items online, or asking for a raise at work. Every extra dollar you earn can go towards your debt. Section 5. Cutting expenses. Cutting expenses is crucial to paying off debt. Look for ways to reduce your spending, such as cooking at home, canceling subscriptions, and finding free entertainment. Paying off debt takes time and effort, but it's worth it. By following these 5 ways to pay off debt fast, you can take control of your finances and start building a brighter financial future. Section 6. Using the 50/30/20 rule. The 50/30/20 rule is a simple way to allocate your income towards debt repayment. 50% of your income goes towards necessary expenses like rent and utilities, 30% towards discretionary spending, and 20% towards saving and debt repayment. Section 7. Paying more than the minimum. Paying more than the minimum payment on your debts can help you pay off the principal balance faster and reduce the amount of interest you owe. Section 8. Using debt repayment tools. There are many tools available to help you manage and pay off your debt, such as debt repayment apps, spreadsheets, and planners. Section 9. Avoiding new debt. While you're paying off debt, it's important to avoid taking on new debt. This means avoiding credit card purchases, not taking out new loans, and being mindful of your spending habits. Section 10. Staying motivated. Paying off debt can be a long and challenging process. It's important to stay motivated by celebrating your progress, reminding yourself why you're working towards debt freedom, and seeking support from friends, family, or a financial advisor. Section 11. Credit Score Basics. Understanding your credit score and how it's calculated is important for managing your debt. Learn about the factors that affect your credit score and how to improve it. Section 12. Debt Management Plans. A debt management plan can help you consolidate your debts and negotiate with creditors. Learn about the pros and cons of debt management plans and how to create one that works for you. Section 13. Balance Transfer Options. Transferring your debt to a lower interest credit card or loan can save you money on interest. Learn about balance transfer options and how to use them effectively. Section 14. Debt Settlement and Negotiation. Debt settlement and negotiation can help you reduce the amount you owe and avoid bankruptcy. Learn about the process and how to negotiate with creditors. Section 15. Bankruptcy Options. In some cases, bankruptcy may be the best option for managing your debt. Learn about the different types of bankruptcy and how to file. Section 16. Financial Planning and Budgeting. Creating a financial plan and budget can help you manage your debt and achieve your financial goals. Learn about the 50/30/20 rule and how to create a budget that works for you. Section 17. Investing and Wealth Building. Investing and building wealth can help you achieve long-term financial security. Learn about different investment options and how to get started. Section 18. Retirement Planning. Planning for retirement can help you ensure a secure financial future. Learn about different retirement accounts and how to plan for retirement. Section 19. Tax Planning and Optimization. Understanding taxes and how to optimize them can help you save money and achieve your financial goals. Learn about tax deductions and credits. Section 20, Financial Mindset and Discipline. Having a healthy financial mindset and discipline can help you achieve your financial goals. Learn about how to develop a positive financial mindset. Section 21, Avoiding Lifestyle Creep. As your income increases, avoid the temptation to inflate your lifestyle by spending more on luxuries. Instead, direct excess funds toward your financial goals. Section 22, Building Multiple Income Streams. Diversify your income sources to reduce financial risk. Explore alternative revenue streams, such as freelancing, investing, or starting a side business. Section 23, Optimizing Insurance Coverage. Ensure you have adequate insurance coverage to protect your assets and financial well-being. Review and adjust your policies as needed. Section 24, Retirement Account Options. Understand the different types of retirement accounts, such as 401k, IRA, and Roth IRA. Choose the best options for your financial situation. Section 25, Estate Planning and Wills. Prepare for the unexpected by creating a will and establishing an estate plan. Ensure your assets are distributed according to your wishes. Section 26, Financial Planning for Self-Employed Individuals. Learn how to manage your finances as a self-employed individual, including handling irregular income and expenses. Section 27, Cryptocurrency and Blockchain Basics. Understand the basics of cryptocurrency and blockchain technology, including their potential impact on personal finance. Section 28, Financial Planning for Freelancers. Discover how to manage your finances as a freelancer, including handling variable income and expenses. Section 29, Understanding Robo-Advisors. Learn about robo-advisors and how they can help you manage your investments and financial planning. Section 30, Financial Planning for Small Business Owners. Understand how to manage your finances as a small business owner, including handling cash flow and expenses. Remember, making money online requires patience, persistence, and creativity. Don't be afraid to think outside the box and try new things. With the right mindset and strategies, you can achieve financial freedom and live the life you want. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more content on personal finance and making money online. See you in the next video.